I come every year to the annual meeting of the American Psychiatric Association, and the truth of the matter is I couldn't imagine not coming. It's part of my professional identity. The American Psychiatric Association's annual meeting offers the absolute latest in the science and clinical practice of psychiatry. No matter whether you are a child and adolescent psychiatrist or you deal with addiction or depression and anxiety, you come to the meeting and you find the absolute latest information on that particular field.
I've loved attending the APA annual meetings because it's a one-of-a-kind experience. You get cutting-edge information of all the things that are happening in our field at one place. So if you're on the fence, think about it as an opportunity to learn about things you wouldn't get to learn anywhere else. Meet colleagues who are attending from different states and countries. Make new friends, socialize, and go home with a lot more information than you came in with about your field and perhaps a new skill set too. So if you're on the fence, I would say give it a chance and see if you like it. I've been attending for more than 5 years now, so you can see I'm clearly biased.
This is essentially the melting pot that occurs every year for 5 days. I truly think that is pertinent for anyone who's interested in psychiatry or just mental health in general to come get engaged in these conversations, because we need you. We need your thought process, we need your approach, and I think it's only going to help us develop this conference for the future to come.